Konnichiwa, and welcome to Unboxing with KJ. My name is KJ, and it's truly a pleasure to have you join me today. I so enjoy helping other people figure out how to make life easier, simpler. What can we do to streamline some things? So it's my pleasure to unbox various things for you so that instead of you having to worry about wasting your time and money figuring out whether or not something will work for you, I got your back. And I'll take care of it here for you. So with that in mind, the latest series that I've been doing, or the latest products that I've been trying for the past 6 months, have been home delivery meals. You know, the subscription boxes that come. If you've ever been interested in ordering one or trying one for yourself, I'm here to help you figure out whether or not that may be something for you. So if you'd like and you want more information, stick around. I'll be unboxing this home chef meal that I ordered. As you can see, for the past 6 months, I've been ordering quite a few home chef recipes, and I like them for various reasons. They work for me. And let me go ahead and take the food out. Let's see what we have here. We have chicken scampi, and so in this chicken scampi, I went on the website, I pulled it up, and let me pull out the card for you. Chicken scampi with ciabatta croutons. And so you want to check out the card here. Looks pretty good. This is going to be 962 calories. If you like to go ahead and count your calories, and you can go right to the card and see what's on here. And it tells you the prep and cook time, 35 minutes, cook within 5 days, and that it's easy and not too spicy. So in pulling these up, I like to read the little commercials on here. I get kind of excited about them. And so on the website it says that it's by Chef Nigel Palmer. He's the chef, I guess, with home chef who comes up with these. And it says, having a hedonistic moment? Want to live for the flavor, for the creamy sauce, for the buttery eminence? Lean into your urges here and indulge in this Epicurean pasta and chicken meal. Falstaff. Ooh, Falstaff. Is that from Shakespeare? Ooh, home chef. It's pretty fancy. Very sophisticated. Falstaff would devour this meal that's all pleasure without an inch of guilt, unless you put that on yourself. We're not judging. Crispy ciabatta croutons maximize the carbs, while garlic and lemon both cut and bring out the natural richness of the cream and butter. Live for now. Live for this meal. Ooh, does that make you want to try it first? What do you think? Okay, let's see what's inside. So, I always, would go through and check my bag to make sure all the ingredients are on here. It has a little zipper here. We have the pasta, and this is, I do order the meals just for 2 people. It's just me. I'm a single person, and this is always enough for me. The meals for Home Chef do come in 2, 4, or 6 person servings, and each week you have a choice to either order 2, 4, 6, or 8 meals. This is a box of 4 meals. So this is the first one, and then we have 3 more to go. So let's see, we have the grated Parmesan. This is enough Parmesan. These are the ciabatta rolls here. We have garlic, and then this cute little butter. Everything's right in the bag for you. And then we have a lemon. So this seems pretty simple. This is one of the things that I personally like about Home Chef, that the meals have been nothing that was too fancy for me. I mean, again, we all have different tastes that we like. I know some people want, they know how to cook. They have these elaborate dinners. For me, this has worked for me because I've never been a person who was really good at cooking, and this seems pretty simple. It's just chicken and scampi, and I guess I'm going to be making croutons out of this. I don't know. Should this be something I cook first? I will be picking one of these to cook and eat. If you want to sit and have dinner with me and see, I'll let you know what it tastes like. So as I'm unboxing them, which one do you think that I should cook first? What do you think? So this is the chicken scampi. Okay. So let's see what else is in here. Next, I have Italian sausage and mushroom stuffed peppers. Sounds pretty good. I personally like mushrooms. And so let me pull out the card for you. So when we prepare it, it's going to look like this. What do you think? It's pretty good. And let's see, what do they have to say about this one? Why did I pick this one? Let's see, because it said, I know why I picked this one. This was Italian Italian sausage and mushroom stuffed peppers with pepperoncini by Chef David Padilla. Pizza and a pepper? It's just crazy enough to work. In fact, This meal is crazy enough to be crazy delicious with savory sauce, meaty mushroom, and gooey, stretchy mozzarella. Add in a bit of marinara sauce and you managed to pizza a pepper. Crazy delicious, crazy easy. Maybe this just isn't so crazy at all. Yay, that's what it says about this one. So I like pizza. And so this seems like if it's a pizza flavor, it's probably going to be something I like. I may want to make this first. Let's see. It says cook within 5 days and that it's easy, that the spice level is mild. It's going to take about 30 or 40 minutes. So this is, I do work full time. So this is a good after, work meal through the week. And it is 505 calories. And so looks pretty good. I may want to try this one first. Well, let's see. Okay, what else did I order for this week? Next up, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't take the stuff out the bag so you can see the items. My bad. Let's double check to make sure what's in this bag that fits with this card. So we have the marinara sauce here. We have the pepperoncini. We have the 2 peppers here, 1, 2. Let's double check. We have mozzarella. If you've watched any of my other videos, I'm always yapping about cheese, that I like a lot of cheese. I think Home Chef puts the proper amount of, food that you need in here. I never feel like it's not enough, but I just like a lot of cheese. So I'm just eyeballing that I may or may not want more cheese. And then here's the other pepper. So again, if you ordered, you want to order more, if it's not just you or 2 people, you want to order the 4 or 6, it would just be either a serving for 4 or a serving for 6. Okay, so this is the Italian sausage and mushroom shell pepper recipe. Looks pretty good. So let's see what's next. What's next in my box? What am I taking out next? Next we have, this is heavy. This is a heavy one. This is going to be Acapulco Beef Burger. Now, I ordered burgers from here before, and I when I was picking my meals, I was thinking, do I really want to, spend the money for the burger? The servings are $9.95, which if you want to hear me talk a little bit more about that, I know for some people, they choose to cook, they want to use their coins to make dinner a little bit less per dollar. I totally understand. I'm very conscious about that myself, about how much we spend on food. These work for me for the servings because with a box of 2, I eat the other usually for lunch, and I usually spend about $9.95 anyway when I was eating a lot of takeout, and this has worked better for me to cook. So, but the hamburgers, I'll go, gosh, do I really want to spend that for a hamburger and fry? But I don't know when's the last time you've eaten at, fast food for the really good burgers. They cost about that much anyway. But let's see, what is this Acapulco Burger all about? Let's see what they say about this. So this is the Acapulco Beef Burger with fresh pico de gallo and cilantro-lime fries by Chef David Padilla. And it says, down Mexico way lies Acapulco, a sun-drenched town nestled between the Pacific Ocean and the Sierra Madre del Sur mountains. A beach resort getaway is exactly what we had in mind when we came up with this burger. When you top this juicy burger with melty Chihuahua cheese, fresh pico de gallo, and zesty chipotle mayo, you'll see how easy and delicious summertime dinner can be. Sounds pretty good, right? It just gets so excited. You gotta get excited about your food, Life is stressful. We gotta have fun. We gotta have fun about our food. So let's see what's in this old bag. Let's see if what's in the bag is what's supposed to be on the card. It'll tell you here. So I do like a little inventory about what's supposed to be on here. This one is 996 calories, and it's 30 to 40 minutes, cooked within 5 days, and that it's easy. And so this is just basically a hamburger meal. I have my 2 buns here. I have some cilantro. I love cilantro. I just started getting into cilantro a couple of years ago. I didn't always like it, growing up. We just never ate cilantro in my house, but I like it. You can get your own little packs of mayonnaise. So if you're like me and you don't like to go to the grocery store, and that's one of the reasons why I continue to use these. Sometimes I don't have mayonnaise. I don't have to worry about it. I have mayonnaise in here, and I have the shredded Chihuahua cheese. Am I saying that right? I don't want to butcher that. Let me know if I didn't say that right. But you have some cheese here. And then I have the potatoes because I'll be making homemade French fries, which I love homemade French fries. Oh gosh, those are going to be good if it says they're cilantro lime fries. So that's pretty good. It sounds good. And then I have the tomato, the lime, I have the onion, and I have, I guess this is the main thing that'll kick off the flavor of the burger. It's the chipotle powder. So it sounds pretty good, pretty simple, a nice burger and fry meal. And again, it looks like it's gonna be good to me. I don't know if you're interested, or like, you know, you can, I know we can pick up like a burger from fast food or somewhere, but who made burgers at the right? So I like that one. So we have one more left. Let's see what the last thing that I ordered for the week. This is going to be brown sugar salmon. Okay, just a reminder, there are about 16 different choices that you can pick from for the week, and these are just the ones that I selected that I thought would be interesting based off my food taste and my different food. I do have some food allergies, so you won't ever see me unboxing or opening up anything from the Home Chef menu that has nuts in it or that has shrimp in it. I may order something that has nuts, but then I can't use it in the recipe. But if it's a big part of it, I'll have to exclude it. So I do like the fact that there are different choices on there though. So here we go. This is brown sugar salmon with ranch, mashed potatoes, and green beans. So let's see, here's the last one. What does Home Chef have to say about this to entice me to order it? Ooh, let's see. This one is by Chef Jimmy Modla, and it says, "How come you taste so good?" Mick Jagger asked this question of brown sugar more than 40 years ago. I know that song. How come I know that? Do you know that song? How come you taste so good? You don't want to hear me sing. Okay, but it says, "How come you taste so good?" Mick Jagger asked this question of brown sugar more than 40 years ago, and we think we've come up with some answers here. For instance, brown sugar tastes phenomenal when mixed with pungent mustard. I never thought about that. Then coated on delicate salmon. That brown sugar glazed fish tastes so good when paired with ranchy mashed potatoes. A rollicking and rocking good time packed into one dinner. Yay, sounds pretty good. I love salmon, so I may make that one. I may make that one first. Let's see. But it does say cook within 3 days, and so that it's easy, it's not spicy, and that it is 684 calories. So this is a really creative way to cook salmon. I would have probably never picked that. And so that's it. Those are my 4 meals. If you want to, let's see what else is in the box here. If it's your first time watching me and you've never seen how this particular company, Home Chef, does their meals, they put the meat at the bottom, and I always check my meat to make sure it's all in here. Here's the salmon, and you can see it keeps pretty cold. This is the ground beef chop. Here is my chicken that came in there. And here is the sausage. So it's all here. And again, if you ever check your bag to your bag of meat to your bags of food and it's not there, call them right away. I've had no problem with customer service, and they'll give you a credit for the week. And at the bottom of the box, there is the ice, and you see the ice keeps pretty cold. It comes in with FedEx, and we want to recycle. I know this is a lot. This is the box, you have the liner, you have the plastic liners, you have the little bottles of food. And so there's a big note on here from Home Chef to make sure that we recycle. So that's it. What do you think? Do you think this is something that you may want to try? Are you interested? What do you usually cook for dinner during the week? Are you tired of making the same meals over and over again, pretty much like I was? If so, you're thinking about trying a home delivery service as a meal option for you, whether it's Home Chef or another company. I hope I was able to be helpful for you so that you can see exactly what are in these boxes and make a decision for yourself. If you want to try it, I do have in the link below a coupon code. If you click on it, it's $30 off your first order. It's a good way for you to try it. I also get $30 if you do that. And so again, we help each other out. And so if you're interested in trying it and you do, go ahead and put a comment down below. I love engaging and talking with others, and let me know how your experience works. Again, I hope I was able to be helpful. If so, click like. Share it with a friend who you know also may be considering a home delivery meal service as an option for themselves or their family. And go ahead and subscribe to me so you can watch me open up some more meals that I order and check out some other products that may be useful for you. I hope you're doing well, and sayonara.